This is room 16005. We are on the MSC Seaside. This is a yacht club room, and just first as you walk in, it's just beautiful. But to your left is the bathroom. You can see we have a nice big shower, actual door that opens. We have a seat, as well as a rainforest head and spa amenities. There is a handheld as well. Toilet, we have one sink. Looks like we have some storage down here, as well as right here with more spa amenities. And we have two robes. And on this side, as you come in, there's a full-length mirror with shelving, closets, nice big closet, some space underneath. And as we come into the room, you will see a king bed. And we have a dresser on this side, nightstand on this side, not a dresser. Lights. Padded headboard. And of course we have the luggage blanket. That won't be there. See how pretty that is? And on this side, we have more space for storage. Drawer with laundry service. It is included. We have a little stool right here. Television. We have 2 things of water already in our room. Ice bucket. All of the daily programming. Mini bar. You do get a premium drink package with Yacht Club, which allows up to $14 anywhere on the ship. This is our refrigerator, which is already stocked. Looks like Glenn is our butler. This is butler level. We can reach out to him anytime we want. We have our own coffee machine, espresso machine. And then we have another wardrobe with a shoe bag, slippers, safe, deep drawers. 5 of those, and then space up top. There's plenty of storage in here. You can easily unpack. And then on this side of the cabin, we have a nice seating area with a couch and a chair. Outlets look like one European plug there. We have 2 US ports right here, 2 USB ports there. Looks like another European plug there. Over by the bed, I see a USB on one side, but not the other. So definitely bring your multiple charger bricks if you are going to need more than 3 USBs. You can control your own temperature right here. And then of course, right here, you need to put your key card in for your lights to work. And then there's a do not disturb and make up my room, please. And out on the balcony, might be a little windy. We are in Miami. This is our balcony. So this is a deluxe balcony yacht club suite on Seaside. It's beautiful.